3D printing is more than innovation. It's a revolution. By building objects layer by layer, this technology transforms digital designs into real-world creations, from personalized medical prosthetics and lightweight aerospace parts to architectural models and even fashion accessories. 3D printers are reshaping industries everywhere. They deliver speed, precision, cost efficiency, and sustainability, reducing waste compared to traditional manufacturing. And the future holds even greater possibilities. Printing homes, medical implants, and tools for space exploration. 3D printing, shaping the future, one layer at a time.